Okay, here's a cold startup of the Ninja 400 SE. This is a 2021 model, and we're about to swap out the pipe, that stock muffler, which is shocking, with this beautiful performance pipe over here. So let's just get a before and after soundbite. Go for it. Okay, so that's a before sound clip. Now we're going to quickly swap this out, and I'll do a quick unboxing as well, just to show you what this LeoVince pipe looks like. Really nice little pipe for the 400 Ninja. Okay, let's have a look what's in the box. So, pretty decent packaging. I ordered this online. Given the lockdown situation, we had to wait quite a long time for the thing to arrive, which is a bit frustrating. But you can tell just by the packaging that it's pretty decent quality stuff. So nice egg foam included in there. Some nice soft packaging on either side. Let's just get that out the way. You get this pipe in two different options. You get the sort of silver finish, and then you get the matte black finish, which we wanted. Nice short stocky little pipe with an awesome sort of MotoGP look and feel to it. And as you can see, that thing is, you can see right through. So that's going to definitely amplify the sound a little bit. And I guess because it just sort of flow air a little bit better, I'm sure we'll see a bit of performance gain as well. Maybe swap out the air filter on the bike for a performance filter. So here are some basic instructions. Let me just get that out the way. And then I noticed the other day when I just unboxed this thing, just to make sure I've got everything I paid for, a couple of nice stickers included, ability to register the product, that's the usual stuff. And then right at the bottom here, there's a whole bunch of hardware, different connectors, packet full of hardware. So yeah, next what we'll do is I'll get the pipe on here quickly. It's not a complicated job, guys. Honestly, you take off this cover and loosen this bolt underneath here, slip the pipe off. This entire muffler just slips off, new one slips on, and you brace it over here with a bracket. So I'm not going to waste time filming that, because that's pretty much, it's about a 5-minute job. But once we're done with that, we'll give it a nice start up, and we'll get a before and after soundbite comparison. Okay, so we've just done a bit of a dry fit. I haven't put the clamp on here yet, and but we're about to do the first fire up with the new pipe. So let's start that up and hear what it sounds like. Clearly a very noticeable difference on the sound. Much louder, sounds a lot more grunty, and more like what you'd expect a 400 to sound like. Not so tinny and zingy. So that's much better sound, I'm sure better performance, and certainly a massive weight saving as well.